Welcome to Kelly's Crafts. Catchy name, I know. To get in the spirit of fall, we're going to be making a fall banner using leaves, paper bags, twine, tape, and glue. You can use real leaves or fake leaves, but this is going to be an easy craft anyone can do. You can do it by yourself or together. So first you're going to want to take the lunch bag and fold it in half. When you fold it in half, make sure that the bottom part of the bag is folded inside. Next, you're just going to make a diagonal cut against the grain, just like this. So as you can see, this is our first banner. We're going to go ahead and use this template for the other lunch bags to cut. Let me fold this in half. Again, the bottom flap of the lunch bag is in the middle. Put this on here. And just go ahead and cut that right there. All right. Once you've had all of your banners cut, what you want to do is put the leaves on them. So you have your 2 banners, or I'm doing 6 total, whatever you prefer. And on the flat side down, you want to grab your leaf. Now this is a natural leaf that I got from a tree in the yard, or you can also find crafting leaves at the Dollar Tree and other craft stores around. You want to take your glue stick and really be liberal with it and just put the glue on here. It's purple, but it dries clear, so it's not going to be purple. And then take the back of your leaf and also again very liberally add the glue stick to it, and then just press it down. Just like that. Oh, the same for the other. Very liberally apply and take your leaf. This is a natural one. Again, very liberally with the glue. Make sure you push it down correctly. All right. So this is what it's going to look like. And if you see on the back, the flap opens like this. So what we're going to do next is, now that we have all of our leaves on our banner or pennants, we're going to flip them over just like this. You can use a ruler if you have one, but again, it's not necessary. And get some twine. You can use yarn, you can use twine, you can use fishing wire. It's whatever you have around the house. Just as long as you want to make it. There's no right or wrong here. It's just what you feel would look good or what you would like to do. So cut the string that you've chosen and start with the first one, leaving a little bit at the end, and just put it under that flap from the lunch bag. And then we're going to use some tape. Tape it down. Now what I like to do is just have a ruler and measure out 5 inches, just so I know that there's going to be some clear divide between them. And at that 5-inch mark, again, place that flap on the string. Grab your tape and tape it down. You're going to continue this. Now I've chosen to make 5 pennants on the banner. You can certainly make more or less depending on what you prefer. Again, just putting it on the back of the string and taping it down. This is not an exact science, so really it's okay if they're together, it's okay if they're further apart, but once you've done that, you have a really beautiful leaf banner for fall.